What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Mixietronics. And today we are going to be reviewing another Funko Pop, and this one is for Ralph Breaks the Internet, and his name is Fun Bun. I just like to call him Pancake Bunny because he is so cute. I think if you guys saw the trailer for Ralph Breaks the Internet, everybody loved the little bunny that was eating the pancakes, and Ralph was just like overfeeding him till he got super chubby and cute. I love this character. It was so adorable. So here's the side. Here's the back. I definitely want to get this whole series too. They're so cute. And this is the other side. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox them. Let me go ahead and open up this box. And yes, I still haven't found my spatula. I have like a really nice one that I like to use, but I moved and I don't know where it is. So let me go ahead and take this out. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at it. Oh my gosh, he's so chubby. He has like that scared little face of like, please don't make me eat any more pancakes. And unfortunately, look, you guys. Do you guys see? Oh man, I hate like when the paint is like really thin in some spots. But I did buy this one off of eBay. I hope I didn't get like one of those factory run reject ones, because I didn't see this one in the store and I really wanted it. Yeah, look. Oh man, it has like a lot of thin spots with the paint. Yep, here's another one. Hope it's not even a fake one. I don't even know. But it's still cute nonetheless. I don't think it's fake. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to take a closer look at the box in a sec. So this, I guess he's sitting in the chair, but in the movie he didn't crush the chair, not that I know of, but it's still a cute little touch. I like it a lot. This is really adorable. So I hope you guys like this. Okay, let's take a closer look at this box, because I'm worried because it has so many thin spots. I mean, usually fake pops won't have like the logo of the movie here. They'll be missing like some of the logos. I mean, all the logos are there. Maybe I just got a raggedy one. I'll probably end up buying a better one in a store if I can find it. But yeah. And the only other thing I do notice is that he does look jumbo size, like in comparison to the other figures. But he's actually, I mean, he's not that big like other. I wish I had the other, like one of the Ralph figures to show you guys right now, but I don't have it in front of me. But yeah, he's a lot smaller. I wish he would have been like jumbo size, you know, like a lot bigger. But he's still cute. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the review on the Fun Bun Pop. And make sure to check out my other videos, subscribe, leave me some comments, let me know what you think about the pop. Does it look real? Does it look just like a factory run reject? And as always, make sure to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified every time I post a new video. And I hope you guys have a awesome night. See you guys later. Bye.